Well, there's a storm coming. There's a chance that it will hit tonight, and I am not ready for this storm. I hope that my clothes are in this one. Maybe they're in here? Okay, got that. Yes. Whoa, whoa. Now that is warm. Oh yeah. The storm isn't here yet, but it's still really cold today. And I've got a lot of stuff to do. Look at this. This might be the world's tiniest cob of corn. That's hilarious. All right, I think we might be ready. All right. Look at that beautiful bed. I'm just trying to get by, I'm dying inside. Wow. This is one garlic clove. Crazy. We were all yellow. I don't know, maybe that's good.
In the middle of the night, it'll come to your light and sweep you off your feet. It's a riptide. And if the current speed brings you to the deep, away from me, it's a riptide. Maybe you're sinking, maybe you're tired, but I'll always be by your side, never leave.
Garlic is planted. This is the first garlic I've ever planted. I'm very excited about it. This bed is going to be Jerusalem artichokes. I watched a few videos on these. Overall, they seem really easy to plant, really easy to grow. I hope it's okay that I cut them. I just am kind of treating them like potatoes. They're a great like survival food. They're really good for you and you can eat them many different ways. I've never eaten them though. But we're gonna plant this whole bed and just hope for the best. I think I'm supposed to let these scab over, but oh well. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a rock. That's a big rock.
I wanna call it love. I wanna call it love. You wanna be the one that I call, baby. I'm doing good, I'm on some new shit.
So beautiful.
Just comes around, laying each other in the cold dark. Hold my body down, I'll crawl home just.
So I grew up in Wisconsin and I hated winter, which I think is part of the reason why I fell in love with the Red Rock Desert of Utah, because it was warm all the time. But as I get older, I appreciate the change in seasons so much more. And I find myself looking forward to winter, I think mostly because my body wants a break. It's kind of like this permission to rest and take care of some really basic things, like warmth and sleep. And I really like both of those things.
The temperature is dropping really fast. I think tonight it's supposed to get to be 18 degrees. I need to grab my power station. This is the first day that I have had the wood stove on all day. Usually I just start it in the morning to cut the chill, and then I'll start it before bed. Not today. How exciting. Oh, I think I have everything put away. My goal is to sleep through the night and not wake up wondering if I forgot to put something away or if there's something being covered in snow. Also, when it gets this cold, I always fill up my kettle at night because my water jugs then, if I leave them outside, which I will, they turn into blocks of ice. This way, I can make my coffee in the morning. Good morning. This is what we woke up to. It's so beautiful and it is so quiet. It is so beautiful outside. I know it can seem weird that sometimes I'm over here by myself, but Chris wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning. I'm the kind of person that really needs my sleep. So when he's in that 5 a.m. routine, it really messes up my sleep schedule. So we kind of have this system down where we sometimes are in one rig and then sometimes we sleep apart so I can catch up on sleep and not be woken up at 5 a.m. Akila just got out from under the covers. On cold nights like this, she wants to be fully under the covers, cuddled up. I don't even know how she breathes under there. I'm exhausted. Sometimes I feel like the earth is just looking out for me. Like she sent this snowstorm at the perfect time as a way to be like, okay, now you have to stay warm and cozy in your van. Like you have to just be still for some time. There have been a few things lately that have been popping up that have been extending me a bit more than I feel as though I can handle. Something that I've really been focusing on and that I'm able to use in like various aspects of my life. Focusing on the things that I can control or all the things that I do know. And this is something that my therapist and I talk about often just as a way to keep me grounded. Can you hear my water just crackling away? And I want to take this time to thank the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp, because they are on a mission to make starting therapy easier for people like us. I also want to stress that you do not need a clinical mental health issue like anxiety or depression to benefit from therapy. I think that there is always more room for resilience and self-reflection and growth. Good morning. Did you want to come under? And it's always just nice to have somebody outside of your normal community and your normal relationships to lean on. Someone who feels safe and who can view things from a different perspective and then provide helpful insights. It's invaluable. I also know that right now you might be feeling some heaviness or some worry with recent changes or moving into the new year or getting less sunlight right now this time of year. And if you need therapy, that's okay, and it's really easy to start with BetterHelp. You can just fill out a questionnaire and then you'll be matched with a therapist in as little as a few days. If you feel as though you need somebody to lean on, or if you think you'd benefit from a therapy session, you can click the link in my description below or go to betterhelp.com/Linnea and get 10% off of your first month of therapy. really snowing. It's so cold. Hi, Annie. Oh, she's dreaming right now. Well, yesterday was a really cozy day with the snowstorm. I just basically locked myself in the van and we got so much snow. And now the sun is out. It is so beautiful.
I am listening. You are the voice whispering in my head, shining through the bells, steady ringing. The words I can't ignore. Wide hearts open door. I was young, I was sure I could hear the sound.
Seemed like the pups wanted to come over here, so I figured it'd be better over here than
Cool. I might go for a little walk in this. It's just so pretty.
to work out.
You want to go for a little walk? It's so beautiful. Let's go for a walk.
As the ocean throws the water to the shoreline, the blanket on the coast, the stories old, let the truth be told, getting lost in all the wonder, and it's singing on and on.
This is not very good for my OSB. Oh well.
What's in my head, falling free like a simple
Ugh. Well, we're still in a winter weather advisory. Right now it is 29 degrees outside and there's a chance of snow later this afternoon. I love the snow. I love how beautiful and cozy it is. I don't love that it's putting some projects on hold. I don't know, but right now I do need coffee. That is what I do now. I need coffee. Where's my mug? Right here. I wanted to show you for the first time, I am doing honey garlic. It smells really, really good, but I'm pretty excited about it. It's, I think, working. It's with my mom's homemade honey. Here's to another cozy day. Okay, now, do I discipline myself and get straight into computer work, or do I just read my book for a little bit and drink my coffee? decided tonight that this is just a perfect day for chili. Just like cozy, warm chili. So I grabbed everything that I've been storing in the van. I like to keep a lot of canned goods just in case, you know, for a quick meal or in case something like this happens where I'm not gonna be going to the store. Hauled it all over. We're gonna have some chili tonight.
Wake in the morning with a coffee cup. The little things are enough. Next to you and I feel okay.
This storm was a really beautiful gift and something that created some much needed rest time. But as it's all melting away, it really only means one thing, that it is time to get back to work. So I'll see you next week.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.